Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to do a little outfits of the week, a little roundup of outfits that I've worn recently, talk you through the pieces, link anything if they're still available in the description box down below, and kind of share with you some fashion inspiration. I used to do these all the time back when I first started my channel, but I don't get dressed like full-on dressed every single day. I'm in athletic wear and lounging clothes a lot. So I still wanted to share with you the outfits that I put together, where I wore them, and how I styled pieces for fun. So let's go ahead and jump in. I have 5 outfits to share with you. Again, if you're curious to see where anything is from, you can check out the links in the description box down below. But before we go ahead and jump in, I want to say thank you to today's sponsor, which is Dossier. 3 new fragrances this month from Dossier. Last month I picked up Musky Musk, and it is one of my like holy grail fragrances from them. I'm obsessed. So this month I picked up a lot more fruity scents as well. I picked up the Fruity Orange, Citrus Peony, and Aquatic Peony. So Fruity Orange is actually a replica for Clinique Happy. So if you're not familiar with Dossier, they do replica fragrances for a fraction of the price, which is so amazing. I love fragrances, but they're just so expensive, and a lot of times you're just paying for the brand name. So think of this as like the store version of your favorite fragrances. So before you spend a ton of money on high-end luxury fragrances, go ahead and check out Dossier first. I highly recommend it. You can kind of see what you think, how it wears on your body, and 99% of the time I'm so happy with the Dossier, and I just stick with it and wear this instead of buying the luxury brand. To be honest with you, I just think they're amazing. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so you can kind of try out the fragrance and see what you think about it. And if you're not 100% happy, you can go ahead and return it, which I absolutely love. They have so many fragrances and they're constantly adding more. They also have their own like brand within it, so they're Dossier signature fragrances, which are awesome. They also do sell in Walmart. So this first one I picked up was Fruity Orange. This is a replica of Clinique Happy, which I have tried. Like, I used to wear this way back in the day. I think I stole it from my mom. My mom was such a perfume girl. Like, she had so many. I'm gonna show you one of her favorite fragrances that she wore all the time, like in her last couple years, and I'm gonna share that with you because it just, fragrances are nostalgic. It's just that. I feel like when you smell this, you feel happy. It's very fruity, it's very light, it's very, very summer. So super excited to have that in my collection now. The next one here, I love peonies, the flower, peonies, whatever, however you pronounce it. I'm obsessed with them. So I was like, well, if I like them in my house and I like the way they smell, why not try it in fragrance form? So this is actually Citrus Peony, which is inspired by Dior's Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and this is an eau de toilette. This is the perfect blend of floral with citrus. Normally I'm not a huge floral kind of girl, but the floral with the citrus makes it very fresh and very fun and young, I feel like, as a fragrance. I think this is what I'm gonna wear today, but I do want to share with you the last one that I picked up, which is Aquatic Peony. So this is inspired by Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio Eau de Parfum, which is the fragrance that my mom used to wear all the time. I iconically remember the bottle. I actually have a bottle of her fragrance. If you know, she's no longer with me, so scents and smelling this just brings back so, like, it's like a hug in a bottle, if that makes sense. It's very much a nighttime, it's a sophisticated scent. I'm gonna wear this. Oh, I love it. It's kind of borderline. My mom always really liked masculine sort of scents. She was a big fan of Cool Waters, but very fresh. She was aquatic, I can see. She loved Cool Waters. She loved Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana, which I have from Dossier. And this is just very much that. Very fresh, but very deep at the same time with that cedar wood. Oh, I love this so much. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. So definitely this one, This one's so unique. I'm obsessed. So besides Dossier being super affordable, they have fragrances starting at $29. They also did provide a coupon code for you guys, so it is Kelly's Life 5. I am telling you guys, I mean, you can see right here, I don't even display my other fragrances. Like, I don't even wear my other fragrances because Dossier just does it so well. And it's, at this point, it's like, I love saving and having a good deal, but if it's not good, I won't do it. So the fact that this is good and affordable is like, top tier. So if you guys haven't checked it out, I will have all of my top picks in the description box down below for you guys from this month. And yeah, big shout out to Dossier for partnering with me on today's video. Let's get into the outfits of the week. Okay, so this is actually the outfit I'm wearing today. I have a bunch of errands to run, and why I thought the Aquatic Peony would be so good, because this is a very like light blue summery sort of look. So starting with this little Oxford, I love button-ups. You guys know I really like to play with different fabrics within my button-ups. This one's an Oxford, which means it's just a thicker, like with the white kind of hemmed in or weaved in. I love it. So this one's from H&M. I'll try to find something similar. I have one from Everlane that's like amazing as well, so definitely recommend checking out them. But I think button-ups can go any time of the year. I'm literally obsessed. You all know this. So I do have the front tuck, but it's kind of like a slanted front tuck. You know, it's a little bit different because I can't tuck all the way in sometimes, but I can't leave it not tucked, if that makes sense. So I went so casual with this outfit today. I know normally I'm not like a blue on blue sort of girl, like light denim with light blue, but honestly I feel like it works, and with the crispy white shoes, so good. I love these sneakers. These are one of my favorite all-time white sneakers. They're an investment piece for sure. The Axel Arigatos, their sneakers are really good quality. Honestly, I highly recommend investing in them if you're looking for an all-white pair of sneakers, or they have a bunch of fun patterns as well. If you're a sneaker girl, these are literally it. I'm telling you, they are made so well. They show wear very lightly. I've had these since December and they're just like perfection. So yeah, and then these are Abercrombie. These are their Curve Love 90s straight, but they're in the length short, which I've been loving for this from spring into summer. I just think they're perfect, and I think they're really cute with this cropped style. That's why I like them. I have them in regular as well, but the regular length, but the short gives me a nice ankle crop fit. So cute. And then for my little jewels, I have obviously my engagement ring, my ring from my mom. I have some jewels from Ana Luisa. I've been wearing these like non-stop. So this little like, I don't know what the actual names of these are called. I'll have them linked down below, but this little kind of like star floral encrusted gem bracelet, and then this plain little silver or gold one is so cute, and then my little gold and silver watch that I got from Amazon. And then my nails are Sally Hansen Argan Sheer Telemucho. I'm not sure exactly. Again, I'll have it linked down below. So that is my outfit that I'm actually wearing for the day today to go run some errands. I need to run to Target and the grocery store to pick up some dinner. So that's what we're gonna be rocking with. I think it's so crispy summertime, and I'm kind of in love with it. It's kind of giving Canadian tuxedo. All right, let's do my little, this is what I dropped Arlo off at school today and then went for a little walk outfit. So starting up top, I have this little Abercrombie cropped set. I have the matching sweat shorts to this as well, but just a little cropped sweater. It said it was 66 degrees out. It lied because it's already like sweating. But anyway, that's the top. And then this is what I wear to daycare because I'm not like going in there with just like, I really don't like going in there with a sports bra and leggings. My neighbor is totally probably watching me. I can see her out on her balcony. Oh well. I'm probably already the weird one in our neighborhood. It's fine. So this little matching set I got from Aerie, and I love it. And yes, I already walked, so I'm super sweaty, but this little top is so good, you guys. I got the medium D, I want to say. So it's got like this, besides the sweat marks, you're taking a weird way to get to behind the mirror. Anyway, it's got like this little like ribbing underneath here, like layer underneath here, and this is like a thick padded bra. So like if you don't like showing nippage, which I don't really care, but this is like padded is what I mean. And it's like press seamed down here at the bottom, so it just lays super flat. The back is so cute. I love it. I have worn this to a Pilates class before as well, like a mat Pilates, and it's pretty good. And then the bottoms, these little shorts, again, these are so, like this part is like a pressed, like super thick, weird material. I don't know how to explain it. But these little like shorts, they ride a little, but they're still so cute. And when they ride up, they're not like insanely short. So I love these. And I'm wearing my little JIV athletic camel toeless underwear. You need them if you don't have them. They're so good. But yeah, love these little shorts. They do give me like that chunk here, but that's just my booty meat coming to the sides, you know? My little bum bag. Inside my bum bag, this is the mini bum bag. I'm pretty sure they make it still. I don't know. My phone, and then my little SPF lippy. I don't carry a key with me because our doors are like code locked. And then I did start with my sweatshirt, but then I went ahead and tied it around my waist because it got hot. And I like the bum bag because you can just like kind of stick the little straps through there too, and you're good to go. And then I walked around with my little, these guys, not worth the price, but they're cute. The one thing I will say is if you like these for walks, this is the reason why I don't love them for walks. The reason I bought them was for walks. The reason I don't like them is for walks because you really can't get, you lose a lot of the like sound and the noise canceling from like sunglasses. So because your sunglasses go through here, I'm probably yelling because they are canceling, but your sunglasses go through here, so it lifts them off your ear a little bit. Same thing with like a hat or a visor. So that's the annoying part about them. So I didn't wear sunglasses today, but that is my little hot girl walk. Oh, let me show you my shoes. So my little, these are the Cloud Ultras. I'm not sure. I'll leave them linked down below for you guys from On. I just ordered the Monster Boost, I want to say, the Cloud Monster Boost. I don't know, but I love these, love the neutral color. And then I will link my socks down below because one of you guys asked me, because you got these sneakers, what socks I wear with them. I bought 2 packs of these from Amazon already. I have them in white and I have 2 sets of black. The black ones, I just bought another pack like maybe a month ago and they've lasted me like 3 years, the first pack. And I still keep the first pack, but they're so good. They do lose their squishiness after a while, but I wear them every single day. So yeah, that's my little fit. See you. Hello you guys, welcome back. I'm actually doing a decent job of filming these. This is what I'm wearing today, so I figured I would share with you. I got this little sweater top a while ago from Zara and I debated on keeping it, but I actually absolutely love it and I'm so happy that I decided to keep it. And I think that it would also look super cute if I like got rid of this tie because it is completely removable and wore it as like a vest through the fall. I think would be really adorable as well. It's like slightly open, so I was like, I need to wear really high-waisted pants so I can't see too much going on. But I love the detail of this. It's got these ruffles. I want to say it was like 30 bucks, maybe 40 bucks. So cute. That's why I like couldn't pass it up. I love the detailing on it. Adorable. And I paired it with my little Abercrombie jeans. But before I jump into that, I'll show you my jewelry. My watch. I never take this off now. It's my obsession. And then this little like flat snake bracelet. My earrings are Amazon. Hair is just in a pony. I think it's really cute with like this top to just make this the highlight. So these are my 90s ultra high rise straight, whatever they are, Curve Love 26 in a short. So that's why they're a little bit cropped. And then I just have my little Hermes sandals on. And yeah, this is it. So comfortable. These jeans are the best things in the entire world. They're so comfortable. I own them in the full length and I also own them in the cropped because I wanted a cropped fit. So yeah, this is a little fit, super, super casual, basic makeup. I have the Summer Friday little skin tint on, but yeah, that's it, you guys. Let's pick up this video on another day. Hello you guys. Outfit for running errands, doing life. Life is chaotic right now. But I live in these overalls. I freaking love them. They're still available on Abercrombie. This whole outfit is Abercrombie. I'm not wearing shoes, but My little overalls. I did a whole video styling these overalls. They're literally the best things ever. They're so freaking comfortable. They're amazing. So I have those on, like I said. But then I have a little tuckable tank on from Abercrombie, which I love. But these are the star. These are the star. So here they are. They're like loose in the leg, but it's so comfortable. Most of the time I wear it like one-sided, but I got stuff to do today, so this calls for a... I feel like I can never get the strap once I lose it. There we go. This calls for a 2-strap per day, you know? It means we're getting stuff done. More than just watering my flowers, I swear. But I like cuff them down at the bottom. They're super cute. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I just have like basic makeup on. A hair clip because, again, get stuff done. Watch, rings, earrings. I wear these earrings literally all the time. They're from Amazon. They're so good. They come in a pack of like 6 or something like that for like $10. So here we are. If I have to leave the house, Birkenstocks or clogs. Like normals. All right. Super casual, super like very stereotypical outfit that I would wear throughout the day when I'm chilling at home, which is what I'm doing today. So I did throw in this sweater over because I probably will throw this on when I get cold when the air conditioner kicks on. So little sweater, cream. I have this little green, I'm very fall today. I have this little green t-shirt. I think this is from Everlane. I like their little basics. And then my little new taupe sweat shorts. These are from Abercrombie. And then if I leave the house, which I need to really quickly, I threw on my Vejas, which I've been trying to wear more. I mean, I do wear them, but I don't feel like I wear them nearly as much as I thought I would. I tried them with socks today. Don't know how I feel, but I did anyway. I live in these sweat shorts. If you haven't gotten these yet, the Navy just restocked and I need to get them. They're so good. Let's pack. Alright you guys, so I'm actually going to end off the video here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like seeing these type of videos, it lets me know that you like seeing them by giving the video a thumbs up and then letting me know in the comments down below what your favorite outfit was. And then don't forget to check out Dossier. Again, big shout out to them for partnering with me on this video. Use the code on the screen, Kelly's Life 5, plus check out the description box down below. I am wearing the AQUATIC Aquatic Peony again today because I just want a little piece of my mom with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.